In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start your import, what to expect on the screen, and a few best practices to keep your data clean and ready to use. First, go to Zoho CRM. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and that you have permission to import records in your workspace. Before you begin, it's helpful to have your contact list ready in a simple spreadsheet or CSV file. Clear, consistent column headers, such as first name, last name, email, and phone, will make the process smoother. If your data lives in multiple places, consider consolidating it into one file to keep things straightforward. Next, click on the Contacts module. You'll find it in the main navigation bar. This is important because contacts are different from leads in Zoho. Contacts are people associated with existing accounts or ongoing relationships. If your data represents brand new inquiries, you might handle them as leads, but for existing or known relationships, contacts is the right place. Once you're in the contacts list view, open the More menu. This is typically the three dots near the top right of the module toolbar. The More menu gives you additional actions that aren't shown by default, and import lives here so the main interface stays uncluttered. Now, click on Import Contact. This opens the import workflow for the Contacts module. From here, Zoho will guide you through choosing your file and aligning your spreadsheet columns to the CRM fields. As you proceed, keep a few tips in mind. Use a CSV or a simple Excel file without formulas or merge cells. Make sure each contact has a last name, because that field is commonly required. If you plan to prevent duplicates, choose a reliable matching field like email or phone. Standardize phone numbers with country codes, confirm that dates follow a consistent format, and ensure pick list values in your file match what exists in your CRM. If your spreadsheet includes owner or assignment columns, confirm that those users already exist in your CRM. As you review the mapping screen, match each column in your file to the appropriate CRM field and scan for any unmapped or incorrectly mapped columns. If your file contains extra columns you don't need, you can leave them unmapped to keep your database tidy. Many teams like to start with a small sample file to confirm everything imports correctly before running a larger batch. That's it. Go to Zoho CRM, open Contacts, click the More menu, and choose Import Contact. With a clean file and careful field matching, your contacts will be ready for your team to use right away.